Hi, Alethea here, Sail Alonso, and thanks for joining me. Let's roll. So this is the update on my toile or Muslim for Butterick 7070. And I'm sewing view C. I made the toile. It's completed. And I basically hand sewed it all together. I have no problems with the construction of the garment, pretty confident in that. So after I completed the Muslim, I tried it on and it was too large. So I started to alter it and decrease the side seams and pin and adjust, and it just wasn't working out for me. So I'm like, this is too many adjustments, too much. So I went back to the pattern to check to see what size that I had actually sewn or cut out, and it was too large. It was a larger size than what I needed to have. That's the first. We have two major mistakes and one minor. So after I found out I cut out the wrong size, I'm gonna have to take this loose, pin the fabric back to the pattern pieces and trace the correct size. The second mistake I made was this pattern has skirts, or what they call side skirts. These are the front skirts and these are the side skirts. See the seams? What I did for waist increase, which is working out pretty well because the zipper goes on this side, I added the increase to the front and back skirt panels. So all I have to do now to fix that is to make sure I put the increase on the side panels instead of the middle, because this line is supposed to go right down the middle of the front panel, and these here are supposed to be here. It's a little off, but they are supposed to hit here on the dress. Now I'm pretty sure and confident that I can make this dress, construct this dress as it's supposed to be. It's a little long, but I'm not worrying about that at the time. I'm gonna go back and complete this toile because this is gonna be a wearable toile. And another minor problem that I have, I got some chocolate on it from my snacking doing, creating it and constructing it, but that's an easy wash fix. So this garment is a beautiful constructed garment pattern. I love it. This is the material that it's gonna be made out of. Love it. And I love the construction of the garment. Nice, very nice. Just love it. Glad that I made the toile, decided to make the toile because it saved my fine fabric. So let's move on. Okay, so to take a break from sewing and have a little downtime from sewing garments or creating garments, I always liked to knit. And I have several knit kits around here, and I've made videos on them as well. And I'll insert the video so you can see what I'm talking about. And when you get a chance, go back and watch that video. So these are little products that came from Five Below. They are called It's a Bitty Knit Kit. And this is a bloom. So this is a bloom, and this, as you can see, is called Bee's Knees. So you got everything included in the little kit that you need to complete the project that you see on the front. So it's learn to knit as you make this cute character for children or anybody who want an easy beginning knitting product to do. It comes with all of this that's you see on the back and everything you need to complete the bloom. So here is the yarn, your instruction booklet, and in here are your knitting needles. They're plastic. Your stuffing. The face, eyes and nose, the little petal, and a pipe cleaner. And you also have the knitting needle. So the instruction begins off with showing you how to start your knitting project with the slip notch on through the casting on your stitches and the knit stitch, which is called the garter stitch. And in the back, it actually gives you the directions. I thought they were right cute, and in return you get to have a little product, cute, adorable products. I'm gonna hang mine around my sewing room. You'll learn each one. I'm not sure, I didn't look at all the packages, but these two will teach you how to do the garter stitch, which is a knit stitch, and it comes with everything you need to complete your project. I thought that was really neat. They were $7 each, and they had a lot of varieties of things you can create or knit. I enjoy knitting, and they even give the directions for your lefties or a righty person. I thought that was rather good. So anybody can use this. Yes, it's the garter stitch, which is straight knitting. So I like that, and we'll be getting some more. I love knitting, and it's something to do other than sewing garments all the time, which I enjoy sewing, but to downsize and take a break and have some downtime. I'm sorry, from sewing actual garments. One time. So this little and they have video too for instructions. Learn to knit basic video instruction, brightstripes.com, and that's the name of the company, Bright Stripes.